Hello and welcome back to Let's Chat English, your space to listen, repeat, shadow, and learn English with me. I'm Emily, and I'm here to help you speak English clearly, simply, and confidently, one sentence at a time. In this episode, we speak slowly, we use real, daily English, and we repeat many useful words and sentences again and again, so you can feel strong, confident, and ready to speak. Today, let's talk about a fun topic, my weekend routine, what I do on Saturday and Sunday. By the end of this episode, you will know how to talk about your weekend in English, use common verbs like wake up, eat, go, watch, relax, clean, speak in full, simple sentences. Feel more natural when talking about your life. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's begin with Saturday morning. Repeat after me slowly. On Saturdays, I usually wake up late. I don't need to go to work or school. I sleep in and wake up around 9 or 9:30. I open my eyes slowly. I feel relaxed. I stay in bed for a few minutes. I check my phone. I read messages. I get up and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I look in the mirror and smile. Then I go to the kitchen. I'm hungry. I make breakfast. Tax, English, place, tax, tax, tax. Now let's talk more about breakfast. I usually eat something simple and easy. For example, toast and butter, eggs, or cereal. Sometimes I eat fruit like a banana or apple. I make coffee or tea. I sit at the table. I eat slowly. I enjoy my food. I listen to music. Sometimes I listen to an English podcast, just like this one. Breakfast on Saturdays feels good. Useful words: wake up, brush my teeth, make breakfast, drink coffee, listen to music. Repeat these again now. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I make breakfast. I drink coffee. I listen to music. Say them again and again. Practice. Now, let's talk about the afternoon. In the afternoon, I usually go outside. I sometimes go to the park. I take a walk. I enjoy the fresh air. The weather is nice on Saturdays. Sometimes I go shopping or visit the market. I buy vegetables, bread, or snacks. If I don't go out, I stay home. I clean my room. I do laundry. I wash my clothes. I tidy up my desk. I read a book or watch a video. I learn something new in English. Example: at 2 p.m. I clean the kitchen. At 3 p.m. I make tea and read a short story. At 4 p.m. I call a friend and talk for a few minutes. At 5 p.m. I watch an English video on YouTube. Repeat some useful afternoon phrases. I take a walk. I clean the kitchen. I do the laundry. I relax with a book. I watch a video. Say them with me. Say them twice. Speak them clearly. Part 3. Saturday evening. Evening is time to relax. On Saturday evening, I like to rest. I sit on the sofa. I turn on the TV. I watch a movie or a fun show. I eat dinner around 7 p.m. Sometimes I cook pasta or rice with vegetables. Sometimes I order pizza or sushi. I eat with my family or alone. After dinner, I clean the table. I wash the dishes. I wipe the kitchen counter. I light a candle. I feel calm. Sometimes I take a warm shower. Then I read a book or listen to soft music. I go to bed around 11. Repeat these useful evening verbs. Watch a movie, eat dinner, clean the kitchen, take a shower, go to bed. Say it with me. I watch a movie, I eat dinner, I clean the kitchen, I take a shower, I go to bed. Now repeat again, more slowly. Build fluency. Sunday is a quiet day. I wake up earlier on Sunday, maybe at 8. I like to enjoy the morning silence. I make tea and sit by the window. I listen to birds. I feel peaceful. I write in my journal. I plan my week. I make a to-do list. I call my parents or a friend. I cook a big breakfast, maybe pancakes and fruit. After breakfast, I relax. I read or study English. In the afternoon, I prepare for Monday. I check my schedule. I clean my clothes and pack my bag. I try to go to bed early. Common actions. Make a list. Check the schedule. Plan the week. Study English. Talk with family. Repeat each sentence twice. Now I will tell you a full, short story. You can pause after each sentence and shadow my voice. On Saturday, I wake up at 9. I stay in bed and check my phone. I get up, brush my teeth, and wash my face. I make coffee and eat some eggs and toast. Then I go for a walk in the park. The weather is sunny. I feel happy. In the afternoon, I clean my room and read a book. In the evening, I eat pasta and watch a funny movie. On Sunday, I wake up early and plan my week. I study English for 30 minutes. I write my goals in a notebook. Then I cook dinner, take a shower, and go to bed early. Repeat this story with me again, slowly. Repeat after me. My weekend is relaxing and fun. I use my weekend to rest and learn. I speak English every day, even on weekends. I enjoy my routine. I feel proud of my progress. I speak more and more each day. Amazing job today. You just practiced a full, detailed weekend routine with real English, step by step, sentence by sentence. Come back often. Listen again. Shadow again. Speak with your voice. Use real words. Use real life. You are not just learning English. You are living in English, one sentence at a time. This is Let's Chat English. I'm Emily, and I'm proud of your effort. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep going. Bye for now.